today's industry, there is a lack of skilled welders, and there's an ongoing and continuous demand to increase productivity from our customers. With our extended product range and new solutions, we are having a complete solution to these demands. On the one hand, we have launched the new range of power sources with the Terra NX range, where we have a lot of interest from our partners and customers. But we have extended that beyond power sources, and we are also offering complete welding solutions. We are integrating all of the different elements, power source, accessories, light automation, filler metals, into customer solutions. And by doing that, we always have in mind to give our customers an advantage in terms of productivity and efficiency. We as voestalpine Böhler Welding do not have only excellent products, but we have a vast experience of metallurgical and application know-how. And that is one of our backbones of the company, which helped us in the past to build trust, but is also a cornerstone of our future. And we are one of the very few companies that have such a vast experience, and that experience we use to build further. We have already embarked a few years ago to develop full welding solutions, which integrate all of the elements that we offer in our portfolio to develop a customer solution which gives our customers a real benefit in terms of productivity increase, in terms of reduced emissions, or a benefit in an improved health and safety offering. When it comes to the slogan, experience the perfect weld seam, we have put a lot of thoughts into that, because whatever we offer in giving value add to our customer, at the end, what any customer is looking for is the perfect weld seam. And that's why we have simplified our message into the market, and we have changed our slogan. We have a lot of visitors at our fair this week, these 2 days. We have a lot of positive feedback on our extended product range. Is it a new range of power sources? Is it the personal protection equipment? And very recently launched a GoPro Guard cell. And we get the feedback from all of our customers that we are changing. It's a company that is really on the edge of the technological development, and we're getting more and more positive feedback, and which confirms us that we are on the right way to tackle all the challenges that there are in the industry.
voestalpine, one step ahead.